because you're not compounding anything. Algorithmic trading, you're always compounding because I have code from the past that I can go ahead and build into the future, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and build this and put it on the Jan2 account. Thank you. Go ahead and send me back the code when you're done. So Polymarket Traders here. So Python examples, Polymarket Traders. Again, this is from the API, Moondev API. So you can have access to that if you show up to the Zoom tomorrow. I do a Zoom every single day. And for the people that are in the chat right now, you do have access to that. So let's say Polymarket examples here, and you can see, I literally see all of the profitable traders. This guy, 3 million, this guy, 2.5 million, this guy, 1.6 million, this guy, 1.3 million. So if you just pop in their wallet address, then boom, you can see exactly what they're doing. And you have unlimited ideas. So you can see literally everybody's, all of the top traders' wallets. Let's go ahead and you can work with this on your own, but if you just go to moondev.com/docs, you can see the GitHub example and play with it yourself and actually get the links to all of the wallets. It's under examples. This is a live GitHub. It's called Hyperliquid Data Layer. And you can see here, I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same edge Jim Simons used to build a net worth of $31 billion. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. Moondev.com/Discord. Message anyone. Ask them yourself. Become a friend.